and you're very welcome to this video. This is our 13th video in our series on insurance for junior cycle business. In this video, we're going to look at reducing risk, why people want to reduce risk, and different methods of reducing risk for different types of insurance. So firstly, what is reducing risks all about? Well, none of us ever actually want to experience the loss that we pay insurance for. We pay insurance to protect ourselves against that risk. We don't ever want to experience that. So people go about reducing their risk by implementing a few simple little measures into their life because they do not want to experience a loss. Also, the advantage of reducing your risks as well is that you can also lower your insurance premiums. Remember what an insurance premium is? An insurance premium is the price you pay for insurance. So it can be good for your pocket as well. So it'd be great if you can save a few quid as well at the same time. So what I want you to do now is I want you to pause the video and think about ways that you can reduce risk to lower your house insurance premium. So whether your buildings insurance or your contents insurance, what different ways can you reduce your house insurance premiums? Pause the video now and press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, so these are just some different ways that I've suggested. There are other ways, of course. But you can install a house alarm, which will reduce the risk of theft happening. So if someone does break into your house, that you're hoping that the thief or burglar will be scared off by the alarm. You can install smoke alarms in the house. This will reduce the risk of a fire spreading unnoticed across the house. So if your house does go on fire, the idea is that smoke alarms will go off and the fire brigade will be able to be called. You could also install a carbon monoxide detector as well if you've got a gas leak in the property. You can also install modern doors and windows with secure double locking systems on them that'll help prevent burglars breaking into your property. And of course, you can install CCTV around your property as well, which would be helpful trying to track down anyone that's broken into or caused damage to your property. Next up, folks, we have the idea of reducing risk for your car insurance premiums. Have a think about any ideas you might have. Pause the video when you're ready. Press play to continue. Okay, so car insurance, ways of reducing risk for car insurance. Well, you can of course drive carefully. Drive at a safe speed below the speed limit, so don't go speeding around the place. Always wear a seatbelt. You can install even a car alarm or an immobilizer. So an immobilizer is if someone tries to break into your car to hotwire the car, an immobilizer will stop the car from being able to move in the future. You can sign up to a safe driving app with your insurance company. Some insurance companies now offer an app on your phone where it monitors your speed and your driving style, and if it believes you're a safe driver, it will lower your insurance premiums. This type of app is very useful as well because it means you're more conscious of your driving and you're more likely to drive safer with an app like this. This is very common with people taking out their first insurance policies or young drivers trying to get insured. Some insurance companies will insist that you have a box like or an app like that. So next up, folks, I want you to consider how you would reduce your risk for health insurance or life insurance premiums. Again, pause the video when you're ready, press play to continue on. So, different ways you can reduce your health insurance or your life insurance premium. Well, you can exercise regularly. Being fit and healthy is a good way of remaining healthy and not having to claim health insurance. You can eat a good, healthy, balanced diet as well. Not too many fatty foods. Don't smoke, obviously enough. If you don't smoke, you're less likely to get any of the horrible diseases you get from smoking. Visit your GP for regular checkups as well to make sure that you stay healthy and that any problems that do happen can be sorted in a short period of time. Well, folks, that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you learned something new from it. If you have any questions, ask below in the comments, and if you enjoyed it, give it a like, and why not subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks very much for watching, and see you now in the next video. Bye now.